Hi everybody, Annelie van Wyk speaking. Cancer survivor, granny of two, senior citizen. I just want to say hi to you all, and everybody that's watching my page or follow me on my timeline knows that I'm in an online business. Now this online business, I'm not going to give you the name that you can ask me, but this online business is a business without limits, a business where you can your income has got no limits, and it all depends on you yourself, what you're going to do out of it, get out of it. If you're going to do it half-minded, just now and then, you can forget about it. If you're going to go full out, be consistent, go all in. That's most important, eh? Go all in. Then you're going to get your results. Why I'm saying you must go all in is if you join at the bottom level, at the gold level, which is $53 a month. Okay, your upline gets a residual of $20 a month, but you are not going to make money. You're not going to make money with $20 a month as a full-time income. You must at least go to the diamond level, which is $147. Then you qualify unlimited $100 commissions. Now that is when you can start making money. And then you can upgrade to the other levels, to the platinum level, where you can make $400 commissions. I mean, that is not life-changing. And then there's another level, up, more up, up, which gives you $1,000 commissions. And that is per person, eh? The person that joins you starts on the $53, where you get a $20 residual. The next level is a $100 commission for you from the same person. When that person upgrades again, it's another $400 commission of that same person. And then when the person decides, if you're on that level, to go to the mastery level, you get $1,000 commissions. Now, if you're not on that mastery level, you don't qualify for that commission. And that commission will go to one of your uplines. So the choice is yours. You want to make a full-time income out of it, or a part-time income out of it? You want to play, or you want to be serious about money? And then I can also add and say, if you opt into an email to look at this system, and you say, okay, $53, it's not so bad, I'm going to try it. Don't do it. You're going to waste your money. I might smile on the other side, getting my $20 commission, but you're going to waste your time. Either you go full out into it, or you leave it. Otherwise, you're going to waste your money. And if you go full out into it, then you're going to be committed, because it's going to be a little bit of an investment on your side, and you're going to make it work. You're going to be consistent. You're going to wake up 2 o'clock in the morning to place your ads. You're going to do it every day like a machine. You're going to become automatic. And that is when the wheel is going to turn and it's going to start snowballing, and you're going to be smiling. And you will be doing it. You will reach your full-time income. Full-time, online, from home, financial freedom. That's what it's all about. Financial freedom. So, just letting you know what it's all about. Love you and leave you. Enjoy your day, and we'll speak again. Bye.